In this quick guide, we'll show you how to manage your contacts and emergency contact. From the home screen, open the menu in the top left, then tap Contacts. Here you'll see everyone you've saved. Each card shows the person's name, their relationship to your child, and their contact details. Your emergency contact sits right at the top. To add someone new, tap the plus button in the corner. Pick the relationship, like father, mother, or guardian, and add their name. Then fill in details like nationality, occupation, address, and their phone, mobile, and email. The choices you see here can vary from school to school. To update someone, tap the edit icon on their card, make your changes, and tap Save. To remove a contact, tap the delete icon, then confirm. If you change your mind, just tap Cancel. Your emergency contact is the first person the school will reach in an urgent situation. Tap the card at the top, add or update their details, and tap Save. Try to keep this one current. And that's it. With your contacts and emergency contact kept up to date, your school can always reach you when it matters most.